What Elon Musk and scientists really think of James Webb Telescope. Hello and welcome back to Cyber Circuit. Before we start, hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos, even before its historic launch. The James Webb Space Telescope had captured the world's attention. Before its Christmas Day launch, Elon Musk shared something about the giant telescope, replying to a BBC Twitter post that highlighted the JWST scientists' intent to show how the cosmos became filled with light. Elon replied, "This is a big deal. There are a couple of reasons why JWST is as big as a deal as Elon says. It is first, the telescope is a collaboration of three space agencies: NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. The three agencies have been developing JSWT for a mind-blowing 30 years. They've also poured in nearly $10 billion of capital to bring Webb into existence. Another reason why JWST is such a big deal is because of the path it will be traveling, built to detect even the faintest of information-carrying infrared light. The telescope will appear back in time nearly 13 billion years ago, when the first stars supposedly emerged. According to John Mather, a senior project scientist on the JWS team, the telescope has been built in such a way that its results will be like a time machine, through which scientists will revisit the early days of our universe and learn just how it became filled with light. It is known that before the Big Bang, the only cosmic entity that our universe had was darkness, and this darkness was eliminated when the first stars formed far, far away from Earth. JWST will hunt for the lights that emerged from the first stars billions of years ago, after it points its 21-foot gold-plated mirrors towards the tiny space in the sky. JWST's launch was met with near-unanimous praise from the scientific community. Professor of Astrophysics and Space Science Martin Barstow tweeted, "Woo-hoo! Launch successful. Many more nail-biting moments to go yet, but JWST is on its way." NASA's administrator Bill Nelson said, "This is a great day not only for America, Europe, and our Canadian partners, but it's a great day for planet Earth. For over 3 decades, we've produced this telescope that is going to take us back in time, back to the very beginnings of the universe. We are going to discover incredible things that we never imagined." The UK's Science Minister George Freeman said, "Today is a monumental milestone for international and UK space science. Webb's Space Telescope will allow us to go further and deeper to explore and discover our planetary universe." The project draws heavily on the world-class expertise of top UK scientists and engineers, who was able to deliver vital pieces of this complex and powerful telescope. Being at the heart of this international project showcases the innovative talent of the UK's world-leading scientists and engineers, and emphasizes our position as a global science powerhouse. Speaking of British scientists, Professor Brian Cox, the superstar physicist, commented before the launch, saying, "Good luck at NASA Webb, certainly one of the most important scientific launches in history. It will be a wonderful Christmas present, if all goes to plan, as I'm sure it will, but I know that even the most rational amongst us will have their fingers secretly crossed." JWST's predecessor is the Hubble Space Telescope, which was launched into orbit in 1990. For over 30 years, Hubble has been taking photographs of aspects of our universe that are billions of light years away. Brian Cox shed some light on the Hubble Space Telescope's achievements over the years in his BBC series Universe, where everything begins and ends. Light travels relatively slowly on a universal scale, only 186,000 miles a second. It takes light 8 minutes to journey from the Sun to the Earth. It takes 4 years for light to journey from the next nearest star, meaning we see that star as it was 4 years in the past. So the further out into the universe we go, the further back in time we can look. According to Brian Cox, we can look way out into the universe through the Hubble telescope and can look back towards the beginning of time. Professor Cox noted, "In the quest to find the origin of the universe, we need a time machine, a telescope so powerful that it can peer out so far into the universe that it can capture the most ancient light and carry us back towards the dawn of time." Cox noted that NASA has successfully achieved this time-traveling mission and said, "The Hubble Space Telescope has taken us on an odyssey through the universe, revealing its gods and monsters. Our universe is a place of beauty and terror. Hubble has shown us visions of sublime creation and images of awesome destruction, illuminating our journey backwards in time towards the dawn. Between 2004 and 2005, the Hubble Space Telescope captured its sharpest views yet of the Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery containing clouds of gas nurturing newborn stars in the Milky Way. Its image was brought to us by the light that left nebula 1,300 years ago. The same can be said about the pillars of creation within the Eagle Nebula. towering, delicate structures that are light years tall whose light has taken 7,000 years to reach us. The Andromeda Galaxy, a glittering island of a trillion suns, has been brought to us by the light from 2.5 million years ago. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.